Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Conrad ke sangma. Hagas ngi balang ula Pynbna balayo ban kemlut ya Baroh kitu ki bala Donkti haga jeng Pynbthei bam ha Khyndailad haga jan met ngi ublei. Habakran chakilat pathai khubor. Conrad ula ong baladon sa saungut ki bala syakem bat kini ki kenthop ya kitu ki bala Pynbyang ya ubam bat kitu ki bala ledbo ya ujeng Pynbthei.
To brief the cabinet members and discuss about the law and order situation in the state. And we would like to inform all of you also that all the people who have been involved in the recent IED blast that took place, all the people have been arrested, and investigation is on, and we will be moving forward into the network even further and going into all the people who were in touch with them also to make sure that we dig into this deep and get hold of all the people who could possibly have been a part of this or have assisted. But the people who were directly involved in the incident itself, all of them have been arrested, including the people from whom the dynamite sticks were procured, including the people who placed it and including the people who had made it. So all the people concerned have been arrested. We wanted to brief the cabinet on that. Clear, and we have made it clear yesterday also that we will be very firm on this and we will take very firm and strict action on this, and all the people who have been involved will be caught, and that has been done, and we will continue to do this. Those who intend to create fear and terror will not be spared. So we will do everything that is required to be done. So these are the supporters and sympathizers of that, and of course the actual linkage and how much they've been involved in communication and organization still is a matter of investigation. So we're looking into those aspects also.
Can you share names, sir?
We found it in the house of the main accused, who we, as I said, was already in the network. We knew, we had all the information and intel about these people, and as soon as this happened, we activated the network, went to his house, and we found that in his house. If I am not wrong, there are 4, but you'll have to just reconfirm with the thing, because that includes in the past how many more were there, and will have to be reconfirmed. But the main 4 people who were there involved have been arrested.